Hey Luke, it's Max. This is the video that I promised you. Thanks for talking with me earlier. And I know that you said you guys weren't looking to make any changes to your website due to not enough liquefied cash right now. But I hope that this is at least informative and helpful. And really, all that I ask in return is just to give me a little bit of feedback. Just reply to this email with any questions or just your general thoughts about the video. You can always give me a call or a text as well with the number that I called you from, and that'd be 850-838-6092. And, just let me know and we can see if maybe, there's something that we can work out, or if the future would work better, then we could talk then. But again, just give me a little bit of feedback if you would. So, the general gist here is to rank in Google for specific words that are being searched every month by your consumers. And I picked this specific phrase because I use a software called Ahrefs that shows me that that one particular word phrase gets searched 80 times a month. And if we add up the painters and Mesa AZ keywords here, then it goes up to about 230 searches every month for people that are actively pursuing the service that you guys provide. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you three main things that you can do today to get your website ranking in this map pack, as well as organically number one overall for particular words like this one, that would help bring a lot more business and a lot more value to your business in general. Okay, so, and I also am going to compare it to life and color painting services, just to show you that it'd be relatively easy for us to rank over them, even though they are, right there in the middle of the map pack right now. That could be you guys, as long as you follow these three things. Okay, so the first thing is content on your homepage. And so if we copy every word that you see here, every image and what it's saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows me that you guys have 841 words on your homepage. And that's a really good starting block. And I just want to point out that your website looks great. I really like how it has this click to call button here. All this, I really like the colors and everything. It is a very beautiful website. And so really, you could just add on to the content, because Google wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And they kind of see that as, if you have that range, then you're contributing towards Google and asking nothing in return. And so as long as you have these specific keywords in your homepage along with that content, they're going to do you the favor of ranking you in Google's, for those searches. Okay, because they see that you're relevant for that. And that's kind of like them giving back because you gave them a lot more content on their website. Okay, so your competition, so you guys have right at 841, and you would want about 1,500 to 2,000, and your competition, Life and Color, only has 404 words on their homepage. So if you were to add, maybe double up the content and then add these particular keywords in there, then you could be a lot more relevant to these search terms. Okay. The second thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks. And basically all that a backlink is one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So I took the URL here and I threw it into Ahrefs again, and it shows me the back end of your website. And it says that there's 6 websites passing 36 backlinks to you. Okay, and this right here is an example of a link. So if you click on this link, it's going to go to your website. And basically, there's 6 websites that have y'all's link in there 36 different times. Okay, so the only thing is that you would want these websites to come from replicable sources that are relevant to painting, or your niche in your area, Mesa AZ or painting. And you would want them to have really good and healthy trust ratings here in Google. So to show you a comparison, if we took Life and Colors painting and we threw it in there, they have a little bit more trust on theirs and quite a lot more backlinks. However, these are a little bit spammy and it's not super trusted. So if we went in there and got you guys, a lot more quality backlinks, then you could easily start ranking over your competitor here in this map pack. Just because these backlinks are kind of like a vote from Google from one website passing power and relevance to yours. Okay, so if we got those from really quality websites, then that'd pass a lot more power. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is really another form of backlinks, and it's called citations, and it has everything to do with this Google Map Pack. Okay, so what a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number, exactly as it is in your Google My Business page, placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Home Advisor, maybe the Chamber of Commerce in your area. Those would pass power because you would have your website attached, and it would have your address, number, and name verified. And so your Google My Business page would become a lot more verified in Google's eyes. And then once your business gets in this map pack here, it becomes a lot more verified in the consumer's eyes as well. This is also the main thing that shows up whenever people use mobile devices. And as we all know, a lot of mobile devices are being used nowadays to make these searches. So whereas these down here get about 40 to 50% conversion rate of people clicking on their website, these typically get about 65%. So just to do some, quick math showing you here, if there's 230 searches every month, okay, and then 65% of those click on your website, you're getting right at 150 people on your website every month. And then if 40% of those, and I'm just using average numbers here, pretty typical what would happen with my other painting company website that I built. If 40% of the 150 people that were on your website gave you a call or typed in a lead through your lead form, that's right at 60 calls that month. Okay. And of course, those are using pretty average numbers. Some of those are, it could be a little bit lower, it could be a little bit higher. So you're looking at, right around that range of that many people calling you every month if you are right here on this Google Map Pack. Okay. So I hope that this was informative. I hope that it was helpful. I do appreciate your time. And again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. You can call me at 850-838-6092, or you could text that number as well because that is my personal cell phone, or you could just reply to this email. So again, Luke, I appreciate it, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.